DevOps tutorial, basic commands. Welcome, everyone, to this DevOps script tutorial. Today, we'll explore essential commands used in a typical DevOps workflow. These commands will help you automate processes and streamline your software development and operations. Let's get started. Ready to dive into the world of DevOps scripting? First, let's start with some basic commands for version control using Git. Developers and operations personnel collaborate using Git, branching and merging code seamlessly. Git is a distributed version control system widely used in DevOps. It enables effective collaboration, code management, and tracking changes. Here are some essential Git commands. Git init, initialize a new Git repository in the current directory. Git clone, clone a remote repository to your local machine. Git add, add a file to the staging area. Git commit m, commit changes to the local repository with a descriptive message. Git push, push local commits to the remote repository. Git pull, fetch changes from the remote repository and merge them into the local branch. The learners take notes, eager to try out these commands. Now, let's move on to automation using scripting languages like Bash. A terminal screen displays a Bash script executing a series of commands automatically. Bash scripting allows you to automate repetitive tasks, improve efficiency, and reduce errors. Here are some basic Bash commands. Echo, hello, world, display a message on the terminal. cd, change the current working directory. ls, list files and directories in the current directory. mkdir, create a new directory. room, remove a file. chmod, change the permissions of a file. The learners follow along, ready to experiment with these commands. Next, let's explore Docker, a popular containerization tool. Multiple Docker containers run in parallel, isolated from one another. Docker simplifies the packaging and deployment of applications, ensuring consistency across different environments. Here are some essential Docker commands. Docker build t. Build a Docker image from a Docker file in the current directory. Docker run. Run a Docker container based on a specific image. Docker ps. List all running containers. Docker stop. Stop a running container. Docker room. Remove a stopped container. Thanks for watching.